This is it. The AI phone designed to make every day easy and effortless. With next-level pro cameras, our most powerful processor built to unlock all new AI innovations, and a revolutionary privacy display never before seen on a smartphone. Introducing the new Galaxy S26 Ultra. Powerful performance starts here. A breakthrough processor customized for Galaxy, with upgraded CPU and GPU for unbeatable gaming, and a faster NPU for seamless AI processing. Plus, our largest vapor chamber ever, so you can play it cool. Enhanced image processing elevates the look of your images for smoother gradation and richer, lifelike detail. And meet the world's first privacy display on mobile. In a tap, Galaxy S26 Ultra gives you instant control over on-screen privacy by controlling the pixels of your display, narrowing and widening pixels to decide where light goes and who sees what. It lets you hide specific apps or protect what pops up, so your screen stays for your eyes only. Say hello to next-level pro cameras, and say goodbye to shaky shots with Super Steady. Horizontal lock stabilizes your frame to keep scenes smooth and level for steady video, even on the go. Capture epic videos even in low light with a nightography video. Upgraded pro cameras give you up to 47% brighter aperture, letting more light redefine every shot, while an advanced AP works behind the scenes to reduce noise and sharpen details, so your shots look clear and bright, even at night. And Galaxy AI makes it all easy and effortless. Studio-level edits are built in with Photo Assist. Simply type or say what you want, and Photo Assist does the rest, transforming your images into whatever you imagine. Or let imagination flow with Creative Studio. Turn favorite moments into stickers, invitations, wallpapers, and more. Now Nudge lets you chat without losing your flow with real-time suggestions. It brings what you need right to your chat, right when you need it, like locations, schedules, and photos. And lets you share it all in a tap. The upgraded Now Brief simplifies your day like never before, with suggestions tailored to your plans, your passions, and everything in between, for a better way to stay on top of your day. And with Samsung Knox at the core, your privacy is protected at every level. And all this is only the beginning. This is the AI phone. This is the new Galaxy S26 Ultra.